Hi everyone, today I am here with an unboxing of the Women's Beauty Mule Hermès shoe. And you can see that immediately this is velvet, so very special. This is the pétrole or green. Also comes in a black and a pink color. There's rose gold hardware here. You see like a little H style with black rhinestone detail. So definitely a really cool look. There's a black goatskin lining and sole, and obviously black for the bottom. Let me take the second one out. There you go. Definitely a very unique style. It's velvet, so obviously very soft. Also means you need to take very good care of it. Be very cautious. Avoid hard rubbing. Avoid bad weather, obviously. But definitely a very unique style. It is a mule, so the back of it is open. The sizing does seem to run a little bit small, so my wife is usually a size 37. It is comfortable, but it is on the edge of being small, so you might consider maybe going a half size or full size up. The velvet also goes all the way around, so it does go all the way around here behind the heel, all the way around the side. So a nice little detail there. And then you have the Hermès stamp right in the sole. There's also a serial number right on the flap here too. And the strap is there. Probably will not adjust it, but it does flip up a little bit like so. And you can see the clasp right there. So in September 2020, the Beauty Mule retails for $850 in the US. Thanks for watching. Please leave any comments, questions below, and don't forget to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thank you.